Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chanelly767. What's poppin'? Hope everybody's having a blessed day today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chanelly. I'm a makeup artist since 2007, and my YouTube channel is about vlog, lifestyle, and everything makeup. Today's video is what's inside my freelance makeup kit. I've been freelancing for a very long time, way back in 2007 when I started to do makeup. I do have a makeup studio, but I really love to freelance a lot. Once again, I'm not bragging that the amount of makeup that I have. I just been requested to do a video pertaining to upcoming makeup artists, or basically just want to see what I pack whenever I'm going to do a freelance makeup. Also, I just let you know I lost my makeup twice, Hurricane Erica and Hurricane Maria. So the makeup that I have is basically from scratch, and what I bring with me here in Dominica. So this is just the makeup I bring with me in Dominica to do makeup application. Most of my makeup is back where I live at home in Trinidad and Tobago. Also, one more thing I forgot to mention, I do carry a mask with me whenever I'm freelancing. Just at the time, the mask that I was using, I have two of them. It's in the car at the time when I was filming this video, but I always have a mask with me. I have two in my car and one also in my personal bag that I carry. You know what's in my bag video, so if you want to take a look, just click on the type cut somewhere around here. So come with me and take a look in what I bring with me whenever I'm freelancing as a MUA, my freelance makeup kit. This is my travel bag that I take with me every time I'm about to go and do a freelance makeup. This is where I have my products, and this is just bigger stuff that cannot fit in there. So we'll start with this bag first. In this bag, I have my apron for myself, and I have my client apron. I have my Advil because I get migraine. I have my disinfectant spray, which is amazing, and it is fragrance free. Then I have my receipt book, my appointment book. I have my ring light. Also, I have a mirror. I have extra napkins, and then I have my business pen right here. My bag that I bring with me when I'm traveling as a freelancer. So I'm going to open it up like this, and this is what the inside look like. The first thing on top is my little basket. I have a lot of baskets like this, so I use one of them to put my garbage, and then I have this tape inside when I want to make a precise cat wing eyeliner. And also I have a small bag from Juvia's Place. I got this bag when they was having their blackout sale last year. And what I have in this bag is all my lashes. Today I have 3 clients. I already know what lashes that they want, but I decided to bring extra just in case. So I have my Adele lashes, and then I have my Kiss lashes, and then another Adele lashes, depends on how small the client's eyes is. And then I have my Fox Mink lashes on the hair as well. And then at the bottom of the bag, I have tweezer, and also I have my scissors to cut lashes. Also, I have another bag in here, and this is also from the Juvia's Place. I purchased this bag also when they was having their blackout sale last year. And then in this bag I have all my eyeshadow palettes in there. So I have all my Juvia's eyeshadow palettes in here. I have the Norman, the Warrior. I have the Zulu palette, the Warrior palette, the Warrior Free palette, Masquerade palette right here. And then I also have a Huda Beauty palette. Then I also have the Queen's palette, and I have also the blush palette from Juvia's Place, which I always use and go for. And then I have my 2 highlighters from Juvia's Place, and this is from the Royal 1 and 2. Also in in this bag, I have a smaller, like a clutch. I like to say it like a clutch. And it opens up like this, and inside of it I have all my lip product. So I have my lip gloss, I have my lip pumper and my lip gloss. I have all my liquid lipstick from Juvia's Place in here, and also on the other side all my lip liner, and all this lip liner is from NYX, as you can see, from NYX. Also in this part of the bag I have my clear bag from Victoria's Secret, and in this bag I have all my brushes, eyes and face brushes, and also I have my plates where I mix all my foundation, concealer, if I want to be creative today, I have in there as well. Also in this bag, put it down, I have everything to do with eyes. So basically I have my eye pencil in here, I have my lash glue in here, I have my concealer in here, sharpener in here, as well I have my liquid liner, mascara and lash glue, and yeah, so everything to do with the eyes is in here. Then also I have my disposable one, I have Q-tip, lip liner, disposable, I have my wedges, and I have beauty blender. So I have free beauty blender because I have free clients today, and then I have extra just in case with the disposable lip liner and mascara. I have also extra just in case as well, and this is beauty pad for when I'm resting my hand on the client's face. At the bottom of the bag is where I have all of my basically face product and disinfectant, etc. So let me get closer. So I have my hand sanitizer, this is water, this is my moisturizing lotion, this is 70% alcohol, this is my lip primer, this is my barbicide, guys, you need to have barbicide. I have also my face primer from Sasha. I have my shine killer for oily skin in here. I have my Sasha Fix It spray, and also I have my setting spray from LA Girls. And last, what I have in this bag, as you can see, there's nothing more. What I have this bag is also an extra bag from Victoria's Secret. So basically this and this comes together. So I have different products. Back of the bag I have all my foundation from Revlon. I start from dark to light, and then also on top I have all my concealer up top here, and I have all my color correct in the part right there. So also on top I have all my face product here, and the face setting powder is from Revlon. I have from dark all the way to light here. Then I have my setting powder from LA Girls in translucent. I have the Juvia's Place, and also I have an extra pressed powder from Sasha in there as well. So thank you so much for watching. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for What's Poppin' with Shenelly 767.